The Enabot EBO ROLA PetPal FamilyBot pairs a high-resolution moving camera with smooth wheel navigation, so it can patrol around furniture and cover most of the home without getting stuck. Its detailed video quality combined with night vision makes it easy to check on pets and family members even in dim rooms or after the lights are off. Real-time two-way audio through the mobile application lets you talk to your pets, hear what is happening, and even play a recorded message when barking is detected. Local storage on the included memory card, plus the option for encrypted cloud backup, gives flexible and secure ways to keep important clips. The modular design with a built-in storage compartment for pet food and the option to add treat or interactive attachments makes the robot more than just a camera on wheels. Overall, this compact rolling bot works well as both a playful companion for pets and a practical indoor security helper that you can drive from anywhere.